Capitalism is an economic system in which private individuals, rather than the government, own and operate the means of production and distribution of goods and services. The goal of capitalism is to create wealth and increase prosperity for individuals and society as a whole through the creation of goods and services and the exchange of goods and services in a free market. Adam Smith, a Scottish economist and philosopher, is considered the father of capitalism. He wrote The Wealth of Nations, a book in which he described his ideas about capitalism. To help illustrate some of the key concepts of capitalism, let's consider the example of a small bakery. In a capitalist system, the bakery would be privately owned, meaning that it would be owned by an individual or a group of individuals who have invested their own money into starting the business. The goal of the bakery owner would be to make a profit by selling baked goods to customers. To maximize their profits, the bakery owner would need to take into account several factors, including the costs of ingredients, labor, and overhead, as well as the prices charged by their competitors. If the bakery owner wants to stay competitive, they may need to lower their prices, improve the quality of their products, or find new ways to reach customers. In this example, we can see how the principles of private property and competition drive the market and shape the decisions made by businesses. The bakery owner is free to make their own choices about how to run their business and how to price their products, and customers are free to choose where they want to buy their baked goods. Of course, this is just a simple example, but it gives us a sense of how capitalism works at its most basic level. By understanding this example, we can start to build a more comprehensive understanding of the larger economic system in which we all live and work. Many countries around the world have adopted capitalism as their economic system, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, and many others. However, different countries may have different variations of capitalism, and some countries may have elements of other economic systems as well, such as socialism or state capitalism.